Today, I'm testing 3 baby food makers using something really simple, just apples and bananas. No extras, no tricks, just real texture. But I want to focus on something that comparison videos don't really talk about, and that's the material inside of the machine. Most baby food makers on the market used plastic interiors, and that's actually pretty standard. That's what you find in most options out there, and for a lot of people, that works completely fine. But today, I'm looking at one that's a little different. This is the Bare stainless steel baby food maker. And what makes it stand out is the inside material. One thing that stood out to me right away is that the inside is all stainless steel. So during the cooking process, food is not touching any plastic. It just feels like a solid design overall. It's more durable, and personally, I feel more comfortable heating baby food in a stainless steel container. Now I'm going to actually use it. I've got an apple and a banana here. Super simple ingredients. I'm going to steam them first, then blend them in the same machine. That's one of the main things here. It's an all-in-one design. So you don't have to move any hot food around. That alone makes things way easier. There's less mess and less cleanup between steps. While that's cooking, I'll explain a few of the features. This machine includes dedicated programs for fruit, veggies, roots, vegetables, meat, fish, and even stew recipes. So depending on what you're making, it takes a lot of guesswork out of the whole process. It also has both blend and manual blend modes. So if you want a super smooth puree, you can let the machine do everything automatically. And if your baby is ready for more texture, you can pulse it yourself and stop exactly where you want it. There's also a baby food stage setting designed to help create different textures as your baby grows. From really smooth purees to much thicker blends, to more texture foods later on. And the blending cup holds up to 350 milliliters, which I think is a nice size for making homemade baby food in small batches, without preparing more than you actually need. Now the apples and bananas are ready. I'm going to blend them. This is the first texture. Very smooth puree, almost like an applesauce. You can see how fine it is. No chunks. Very easy consistency. Now I'm going to switch over to manual blend to show a thicker texture. This version has a little more body. It's not completely smooth anymore. You can see a little more structure in the food. And that's the idea here. You can adjust the texture depending on your baby stage. Now let's talk about cleaning, because that's something parents care a lot about. After using it, there's not much mess inside, because everything stayed in one container. From steaming to blending. One feature I thought was really useful is the auto clean function. You simply add a little bit of water, run the cleaning cycle, and it helps loosen leftover food residue before washing. After that, everything cleaned up pretty easily, and some parts can even go in the dishwasher. So cleanup is pretty straightforward overall. Now, stepping back. After comparing these 3 baby food makers, most of them do very similar things. They steam, they blend, and they make purees. But the difference here is, it's really the material choice. It's stainless steel inside instead of plastic. So if material is something that you care a lot about, that's where this one really stands out. I wouldn't say it's better for everyone, because most options already work fine, but it is a different approach, and it's worth considering, especially if you're trying to avoid plastic contact during heating. At the end of the day, each baby food maker has its strengths, but this one stands out because of how it's built inside. And for me personally, after comparing these 3 and using this one, material is something I actually pay attention to now. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link in the description below. That's the test. Simple ingredients, simple comparison, and a closer look at what actually matters in daily use.